Good morning. Good morning, everybody. It's a new day. It's now spring, but Mother Nature didn't get the memo. But welcome to our time of worship at Asbury United Methodist Church on this third Sunday in Lent as we count down that 40 days of Jesus being in the desert and sharing in that time of discernment and looking inside himself. What is more pleasant than entering into the presence of the Lord as we come and as we worship and join God? And in Psalm 91 it says, "O come, let us sing to the Lord. Let us make a joyful noise to the rock of our salvation." Now, if you have not noticed behind me, we have a choir, and there's a director behind Noah. And when I read that verse, "O come, let us sing to the Lord," she's going to remind you, right, Kathy? That everybody can sing and make a joyful noise. And that's what we would like to do. If you're a guest today, I welcome you here. Would ask that you fill out one of the welcome cards in the back at the Welcome Center. And if you don't have a spiritual home and you're new to Watertown, I pray that you will find the Spirit in this place. Before we begin, birthdays to celebrate. I want to share with you Jane Easton is celebrating a birthday. Tom Carlisle. So Tom, we know you watch. Happy birthday to you, young man. And Rosemary Dinesha, who's right here. Yay, happy birthday to each one. And if you're celebrating, it's 1 penny for every year, or today, because it's the first week of spring. We'll say, Nikki, what should they, like $20 a year? $20 a year if you want to give, you can. But if not, it's a penny. But let's have fun with it. And I'm going to turn things over to Joanne, who God has chosen to serve as our liturgist this day.
Good morning. I am Joanne Rode, your liturgist for today's service, and it's a pleasure to see you this morning and offer you a warm welcome, especially to those of you that are following us by streaming. If you look inside your bulletin, you will see all of our upcoming announcements. If you have an announcement, you can come forward at this time. I would like to bring your attention to the United Women in Faith, the packing party that they're going to be having on Sunday, March 30th, after worship service. So if you can come and help with that, it would be greatly appreciated. No other announcements? All right, at this time, then we'll have the Asbury Ringers do our musical preparation called A Blessing.